Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about light lesson. Already the half of finished. Now that you see that sign conversion for measurement of distance. Okay. So now you see that first we are taking to that parallel axis lines. One axis. This is a parallel axis lines. Okay. So that some of the distance I kept that a spherical mirror. Okay. So this is a pole of point. This is a pole. uh, so this is that this is center of the parallel axis. The parallel axis is center of the line. Okay, now you see that. So first we follow said that sign convention called the Cartesian sign convention to measure the distance in the ray diagram. Okay, wow. So what is the sign convention means? That is a Cartesian sign convention to measure what you are measuring distance in the ray diagram. Okay. So you see that this convention, the pole of the mirror is taken as the origin. So this is a pole of the mirror. So mirror uடைய pole, this point is a pole of the mirror. Then the principal axis is taken as the x-axis in the coordinate system. So this is a principal axis line. Okay. So now you see the object is always placed on the left side of the mirror. So you see that this is the mirror, the object. Where having that object? Though here. Here having to the object. So always you see that the object is always keep it in the mirror left side. In the mirror left side only. Okay. All distance are measured from the pole of the mirror. Whatever it is distance you are measuring, pole of the mirror. The mirror in the pole P, point P, you have to measure to this side. Okay. Next, the distance measured in the direction of the incident light are taken as positive, and those measured in the opposite direction are taken the negative. Now you see that the rays, this is the object. So the objects are produced to the sum of the ray. That rays is a incident ray. So you see that light rays, so moving this direction. Okay, so it's moving to this direction. So this is what directions are moving? Positive x-axis lines, parallel positive axis. So positive direction is here moving. After that it's reaching the mirror. After that it's reflected. Okay, so this lines we are considered to the incident of the ray. It's always going to the positives. Okay, so next you see that. Next point, the distance measured the perpendicular to and above the principal axis are considered to be the positive. So always the principal axis ku perpendicular தான் the lines இருக்கும். Okay, that one you have to consider. That too you are considered the positive values. All the distance measured the perpendicular to and below the principal axis considered to be the negative. So now you see that the object light, the light it's a reflector to the mirror. After that it's creating to that some of that imagineering, some of the image, some of the imagineering image it's a produced. Okay, so this side it's a moving. So it's a we have to calculate from the pole, parallel axis of the pole and calculate பண்ணுவோம். That is we are taking to the negative values only. That's they are said. Okay, sorry, understood. So next you see the mirror equation. So now the expressions relating the distance of the object the distance of the object we are taking to the u, the distance of the image we are taking, the distance of the image we are taking to the v. Okay, so now we want calculate the focal length of the f of a spherical mirror. So this is called the mirror equation. So mirror equation equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the mirror equation. It's important this equation. Some of the calculations come. So next one, linear magnification. So linear magnification. The magnification is produced by a spherical mirror gives how many times the images on object is magnified with respect to the object size. So what is that magnification? It's a reflector to that image to the how what they are asking, how many times is a image of the object the magnified? So expert to the object size. So object size விட the imaginary object உடைய size bigger lesser that one. So that is magnification. Okay. It can be defined as the ratio of the height of the image. It's a ratio of the height. Height is a magnification. Height of the image to the height of the object. So height of the image to the height of the object. So height of the image we are taking to the HI. HI. So height of the object we are denoted by HO. So magnification, how to you calculate the magnification? Magnification equal to HI, the height of the object, height of that image divided by height of the object. Okay. Next you see the magnification can be related to the object distance u and image distance v. Already you know that. So now that vi and vo the values here minus v by u. So why we are taking the minus means the negative values always indicate the image is here real. That indicate the image, that reflected image we have to indicate that. Okay. So next you see that. Wait. Okay. Next you see that uses of concave mirror. Okay, uses of concave mirror. You see that dentist head mirror. Okay, dentist head or mirror, that mirror. In the dentist head mirror, a parallel beam of the light is made of the fall on the concave mirror. This mirror focus the light beam on the small area of the body. It's a focus to the small area of the body. So uses of concave mirror where we are using dentist using to this mirror for that your mouth, that teeth inside the small area we have to find out whatever any problem, that one we have to using. And makeup mirror. So next the concave mirror where we are using makeup. When a concave mirror is here held near the face, an upright and magnified image is seen. Here our face will be seen magnified. Okay. Other application, concave mirror are also used as reflector in torches, headlights, in vehicles, headlights, the vehicles, all vehicles having the headlights, no, that. Search the lights to get the powerful beams of the light. Powerful beam of light. Large concave mirrors are used in solar heater also. So next you see that image formation. So the convex mirror. Now we have to studying about convex mirror. Okay. Image formation. How to the convex mirror image formation? Any two ray can be chosen to draw the position of the image in the convex mirror. A ray that is a parallel to the principal axis, rule 1. Okay, and a ray that appear to the pass through the center of the curvature. Okay, so now you see this is the convex mirror. I am taking to the convex mirror. First I draw to that one parallel axis lines and then I fixed to the convex mirror. So the parallel axis line center of position I am taking to the curvature. Center of the curvature I am taking to the center of the curvature, you see C. I am taking here. Okay, I am taking here. So next you see the object always in the mirror left side only. You know that. So I am keeping the image here. So next what happened? So image it's a produces some of the light. Right? That light is here passing. So this is the incident ray. So this incident ray always it's a reach to fall on the mirror after that a reflection. So reflection it's going to this side. Okay. So now it's creating this side. This is a center of position. Okay. Now you are imagining the convex mirror always it's a produced to the images. A convex mirror produce the image in the back side only, right? So you are imagine it. This is this line you are draw to extend to the line. The reflected and the line back side extend pananga. So inga the lines and extend panina. It's a reach to the curvature. So the reflector rays reach to that focus point. Okay va? So the both it's a forming to the one of that image, inverted image. Okay, so this is so next you see that uses of convex mirror. So convex mirror are used a rare view mirror in vehicles. It always forms a virtual erect. So the convex mirror always it's a produced to the virtual erect images only. Okay, it is a small size of the object. As the vehicle approach the driver from the behind, the size of the image increases. When the vehicles are moving away from the driver, then image size decreases. அது மூவ் ஆகும்போது டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். The convex mirror provide a much wider field of the view compared to the plane mirror. So the convex mirror are installed on public roads as a traffic safety device. Convex mirror always is a safety device to the traffic safety device. They are used in the acute bends of narrow roads such as hairpin bends in the mountain passes where direct view of the oncoming vehicles in restricted. It also used the blind spot in shop. Okay, so now you see speed of the light. Now you see the speed of the light. In the early 17th century, the Italian scientist Galileo Galilei tried to measure the speed of the light. So in 1665, the Danish astronomer Ole Romer first estimated the speed of the light by observing one of the 12 moons of planet Jupiter. He estimated the speed of the light to be about 220 Kelvin per second. Okay. In 1849, the first land-based estimate was made by the Armand Fuse. Today, the speed of the light in the vacuum is known to be almost exactly 300 lakhs kilometer per second. Okay. So next you see that refractions of a light from a plane transparent. Okay, when a ray of light travel from the optically rarer medium. So when the rays light travel from the optically rare medium to the optical denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So எப்படி ஆகாது at rare mediumல போகும்போது it's a bend ஆகி மூவ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So bend, you see that இது வந்து ஒரு ரேர் மீடியம் வாட்டர், இது வந்து ஏர். ஸோ இங்கே ரிஃப்ளெக்டர் ரேஸ் இப்படி மூவ் ஆகும்போது இட்ஸ் பெண்ட் ஆகி போகும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ வென் ஏ ரே ஆஃப் லைட் travel from the optical denser medium to the optical rare medium, it's a bend away from the normal. இது towards the bend the normal வரும். rare mediumல towards bend the normal வரும். denser mediumல away from the normal rays இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So law of the reflections, already you know that law of the reflections, right? The incident ray, the refractor, the ray and the normal to the interface of the two transparent media at the point of the incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of the sine of the angle of the incident to the sine of the angle of the refraction is a constant for the light of the given color and for the given pair. So you know that angle of that I and angle of the R is a equivalent. So that one here refractions we are taking means sin I by sin R equivalent to constant. The constant is called the refractive index. இது வந்து refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. So air medium is denser medium. So it is generally represented by the Greek letters mu 1 2. Okay, mu. So next that next you see that total internal reflections. So next we see that total internal reflections. When the light travel from the denser medium, you see that here having to that light, it's moving to the all the rays in the moving to the denser medium. It gets refracted away from the normal. இது எல்லாமே away from the normal move ஆகும். Okay, while the angle of the incident denser medium increases the angle. So அது மூவ் ஆகும்போது the angle of the incident in the denser medium increase the angle of the அது angle என்னன்னா refraction angle வந்து இன்க்ரீசபிளாக இருக்கும். மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு 90 டிகிரியாக இருக்கும். ரைட்டா? So it is a perpendicular value. The angle of the incident is called the critical angle. So angle of the incident இது மாதிரி இருக்குதா, we have to telling to the critical angle. The angle of the incident at which the angle of the refraction is a 90 degree is called the critical angle. At this angle, the refracted rays grazes the surface of the separation between the two media. Okay, so now you see that condition to the achieve the total internal reflection in a conditions. The light must travel from the denser medium to the rarer medium. Light always internal reflection. The light must travel from the denser to the rare medium. The angle of the incidents inside the denser medium must be greater than of the critical angle. Critical angle விட greater than இருக்கணும். Okay, incident. Next you see the total interference reflection in the nature ல என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So mirage பார்க்கலாம் first. Mirage. On hot summer days, patch of the water may be on the road. Okay, this is the illusion. This is the illusion. அதாவது illusion means what? காணல் நீர். ஓகேவா? So long distance you see means some of the water there. You are thinking. But you are near, you are moving means what happened? There is not having the water. Okay, so that is illusion. Illusion means kanal neer solluvom. Okay, the air near the ground becomes the hotter than the air at the higher levels. The hotter air is less dense and as the small refractive index than the cooler air. Okay, next one we are telling to the optical fibers. The optical fibers are the bundles of the high quality composed glass or quartz fibers. So in the high quality of the optical fibers la edu composed ஆயிருக்குனா glass or quartz fibers. Each fibers consists of the core and cladding. The refractive index of the material of the core is higher than that of the cladding optical fibers. Work on the phenomenon of the total internal reflection when the single, so 90 degree I told you, no, that one. When a single in the form of the light is directed at one end of the fiber at a suitable angle, it undergoes the repeated total internal reflection along the length of the fiber and finally comes out the other end. Okay, so optical fibers are extensively used for the transmitted audio and video signals through the long distance. Moreover, due to their flexible nature, optical fibers enable physicians to the look and work inside the body through tiny incisions without having to the perform surgery. Okay, so this lesson is finished. This lesson also coming to the exam. Please be steady. Thank you.